Top 20 Change Management Interview Questions. Question 1. What is the first step in change management? A. Identify the change impact on business processes. B. Develop a change management strategy. C. Implement change without stakeholder involvement. D. Monitor the change after implementation. The correct answer is B. Develop a change management strategy. A solid strategy sets the foundation for successful change implementation. Question 2. How should you communicate changes to employees? A. Via email only. B. Through personal meetings and digital channels. C. Just after the change has been implemented. D. By assuming they will figure it out. The correct answer is B. Through personal meetings and digital channels. Clear and consistent communication builds trust during the change process. Question 3. What does the ADKAR model stand for? A. Awareness, desire, knowledge, ability, reinforcement. B. Assessment, development, knowledge, ability, results. C. Alignment, development, knowledge, accountability, results. D. Action, development, knowledge, ability, results. The correct answer is A. Awareness, desire, knowledge, ability, reinforcement. The ADKAR model guides individuals through the change process step by step. Question 4. What is the main goal of change management? A. To ensure organizational stability. B. To facilitate smooth transitions and minimize resistance. C. To increase overall employee stress. D. To maximize the number of changes implemented. The correct answer is B. To facilitate smooth transitions and minimize resistance. Change management aims to minimize disruption and ensure the change is accepted. Question 5. What role do stakeholders play in change management? A. Stakeholders are responsible for implementation only. B. Stakeholders must be involved throughout the change process. C. Stakeholders are not critical in the change process. D. Stakeholders only provide feedback after the change is complete. The correct answer is B. Stakeholders must be involved throughout the change process. Stakeholder involvement ensures their buy-in and reduces resistance to change. Question 6. What is the purpose of resistance management in change? A. To ignore employee concerns and push forward. B. To identify, address, and reduce employee resistance. C. To increase resistance as a way to test employees. D. To delay the change process. The correct answer is B. To identify, address, and reduce employee resistance. Managing resistance helps employees adapt and reduces potential setbacks in change implementation. Question 7. When should you evaluate the success of a change initiative? A. Before implementing the change. B. During the planning phase. C. After the change is fully implemented. D. Once resistance has completely subsided. The correct answer is C. After the change is fully implemented. Evaluating success after implementation helps assess effectiveness and areas for improvement. Question 8. What is the primary factor that leads to successful change? A. Complete lack of employee involvement. B. Clear communication and strong leadership support. C. Excessive automation and technology use. D. Ignoring feedback from employees. The correct answer is B. Clear communication and strong leadership support. Leadership support and communication create a clear path for successful change. Question 9. What is a change agent's role? A. To resist all changes for stability. B. To facilitate and drive the change process. C. To control all aspects of the change process. D. To implement only minor adjustments. The correct answer is B. To facilitate and drive the change process. Change agents help guide and influence others in adopting the change. Question 10. What does a change management plan include? A. Only the cost analysis of change. B. A strategy for communication, training, and resistance management. C. Only the implementation timeline. D. A list of technical resources. The correct answer is B. A strategy for communication, training, and resistance management. A comprehensive plan ensures all aspects of change are effectively managed. Question 11. What is the impact of culture on change management? A. Culture has no impact on change management. B. Culture significantly influences how change is accepted and implemented. C. Culture only affects the financial aspects of change. D. Culture can delay change but not impact its success. The correct answer is B. Culture significantly influences how change is accepted and implemented. Understanding the organizational culture helps tailor the change approach. Question 12. What is the role of training in change management? A. Training is optional and only for specific employees. B. Training is essential to equip employees for change. C. Training is irrelevant as change will happen automatically. D. Training should be done after the change is complete. The correct answer is B. Training is essential to equip employees for change. Proper training ensures employees have the skills to adapt to new systems. Question 13. What is the main challenge in managing organizational change? A. Managing the technical systems alone. B. Resistance from employees and lack of buy-in. C. Overcoming market competition. D. Avoiding communication about the change. The correct answer is B. Resistance from employees and lack of buy-in. Employee resistance can impede change if not effectively managed. Question 14. Why is monitoring important in change management? A. It helps measure the change's impact and effectiveness. B. Monitoring ensures that the change is delayed. C. It helps reduce the workforce. D. Monitoring is unnecessary once the change is implemented. The correct answer is A. It helps measure the change's impact and effectiveness. Monitoring allows adjustments to be made to ensure the success of the change. Question 15. What is the role of leadership in change management? A. To avoid the change entirely. B. To provide direction, support, and resources for the change. C. To resist change until forced to act. D. To implement change without employee consultation. The correct answer is B. To provide direction, support, and resources for the change. Leadership support is crucial to successfully drive and sustain change. Question 16. How should change management deal with early resistance? A. Ignore it and focus on progress. B. Understand the reasons and involve resistant individuals in solutions. C. Force the changes to show authority. D. End the project immediately. The correct answer is B. Understand the reasons and involve resistant individuals in solutions. Addressing resistance early helps build support for the change. Question 17. What is the best approach to evaluate change readiness? A. Assume readiness without any survey or data. B. Conduct assessments and gather feedback from key stakeholders. C. Only review the project budget. D. Evaluate only after the change implementation. The correct answer is B. Conduct assessments and gather feedback from key stakeholders. Assessing readiness helps identify gaps and tailor the change approach. Question 18. What is change fatigue? A. The excitement for new initiatives. B. Overwhelm and resistance due to continuous change. C. A successful adaptation to change. D. The complete acceptance of change. The correct answer is B. Overwhelm and resistance due to continuous change. Frequent changes without adequate support can lead to burnout and resistance. Question 19. What is the key to sustaining change over time? A. Neglecting to monitor the change process. B. Continuous reinforcement and employee engagement. C. Leaving employees uninformed and unaware. D. Implementing changes in secret. The correct answer is B. Continuous reinforcement and employee engagement. Sustained success requires ongoing communication and reinforcement of changes. Question 20. What is a change impact assessment? A. A process to understand change's effect on stakeholders. B. A way to delay change. C. An evaluation of technical issues only. D. A tool to ignore stakeholder concerns. The correct answer is A. A process to understand change's effect on stakeholders. Impact assessments help identify potential risks and prepare for the change.